This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your PayPal account to GCash. This integration is super convenient, allowing you to transfer funds easily between these two popular platforms. By linking them, you can enjoy the benefit of zero withdrawal fees when moving your Philippine peso balance. Plus, you'll get faster access to your money, with most transactions processing in near real time, making your financial management much smoother. To link your accounts first, open your GCash app and tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Next, select My Linked Accounts and then choose PayPal. You'll need to enter your PayPal email address and tap Authorize. Then, log into your PayPal account to securely confirm the connection. Remember, both your GCash and PayPal accounts must be fully verified, and the names and email addresses on both accounts should be identical for a successful link. Once your accounts are linked, withdrawing funds is straightforward. From the GCash homepage, tap Cash In. Then, select Global Partners and Remittance and choose PayPal. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Please note the minimum is 500 Philippine pesos. Confirm the transaction, and your funds will usually be available immediately, though some may take up to 48 hours. You can transfer up to 100,000 Philippine pesos per transaction. For a smooth transfer experience, always ensure both your GCash and PayPal accounts are fully verified. It's crucial that your registered name and email address are identical on both platforms. If you have foreign currency in PayPal, convert it to Philippine pesos before transferring to avoid additional conversion fees, which can be around 3 to 4%. Transfers of Philippine pesos are free. Also, remember the 100,000 Philippine peso limit per transaction can be refreshed by simply unlinking and relinking your PayPal account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.